Hello everybody, and welcome to the forest. So, I do have a plan for today, and we're going to get right into it, because I know it's going to take me a little while to get done, so let's get it. Gonna get the crossbow, the climbing axe, and the whatchamacallit, chainsaw. Yes, the chainsaw. Those are our targets for today. Then probably go home, add more to the base, unless I can figure out something else to do. There's the crossbow. Alright, so the best part about this is I'm pretty sure along with the crossbow, there is also a blueprint for, yes, the cross, the church, and the coffin. Guess that works out, eh? Since we're out this way, I might just go grab the tower. Not because we need it, but just for the fact that, well, it's there. Might as well as get it. God, I guess you're going to get so disoriented so quickly. You know, I've seen the trailer for the Son of Forest, or Son of the Forest, yeah. I've seen that trailer, so I know what to expect. So I know that our child survives. So I'm guessing we find him alive or something. Something. And all I ask, though, for anyone who has seen the ending of the game or has beaten the game, don't spoil it. I had somebody do that with FNAF Security Breach. They spoiled one of the endings. I know there's multiple endings, but they spoiled one of them, and I think they spoiled one of them, and the one they spoiled was the one I wanted to get. It was rather sad that they spoiled it for me. I know the tower's out that way, but I just want to stop here and get what's here. I'm pretty sure I went too far. Yeah, like all I ask is don't spoil the ending. Sad thing is, I've played this game on my PS4, on everything else, but I just have I've never actually beaten the game. What the hell? That's the Laria cave, alright. So yeah, I'm going in the right direction. Climbing axe should be right up here. Should be next to a tent. Oh! Why do I hear... Oh, great. Oh! Oh, this is not good. Oh, this is not good. I mean, I'll kill the Armsy because I know I can do it, but the rest of them, I don't want to fight right now. I have no interest in killing them. That should be the cave right next to it, if I'm remembering correctly. Yeah, there's the dam. There's the butthole. Yep, should be right down here. Oh, calm down, you're fine. Ooh. Can't see anything, but I don't think there's cannibals or mutants until we get all the way to the bottom. Not from what I can remember. I can see about as much as you guys can, so I think we're fair. Some babies down there. Should be easy enough. I do have my own like little save file out. I'm doing a series on it. I haven't posted the videos for it because I plan to post them all as one big long video. I don't know why, but I just want to do that for some reason. Jesus. Forgot how close it got to the butthole. Oh, we're in. Don't fall, please. Take all these sticks, though. Already gotten that. Stop pulling out the damn picture. More shots. So there might be cannibals. I don't remember. Let's find out, shall we? Guys, cannibals. Alrighty. Cannibals with babies. I might just pick off the babies with the bow, though. Oh, you're kidding me, right? Ah! Give me a freaking light. Give me my light. Give me my light. No! God damn it. Goodbye. Alright, so he's dead. Pretty sure my crossbow's gone now, but that'll hurt. That's lungs. Alright, don't run off the cave edge here. There's my girlfriend. Oops. There's gonna be more freaks over here. Really should not. forget what we came here for. I don't see my bolt. Whatever, I have plenty. Get out of here. I don't think I'll have to come back, though. I hope not, at least. This is gonna screw up my day and night cycle. I know I shouldn't sleep because it's going to screw up my day and night cycle. But if I don't sleep, it's going to be dark, and I don't feel like doing it. I don't feel like doing in the dark. Wow, this source. Where is the moon actually? Actually, the sun's about to rise. There's the moon's right there. Yeah, the sun ain't far from rising, so we'll just leave well enough alone and get to the lawyer's cave. It's over here. I don't remember actually where it is. I'm calm to it. Oh. Right on top of it. Don't let there be someone as soon as I walk in here. Jesus. I don't know what's down here. Damn it, I missed. Stop dodging my stuff. Ooh. Guess we're going down. No, I heard a spider bit. There should be enough there to kill her. Might be able to lure her into the... Well, there's one dead. Come on. Another one dead. Come on. Come on. I know you want to tussle. Yeah. Come at me. Come on. That's it. Come on. Night, night. That's good. Let's go. Well, I'm getting rather annoyed that you won't die. Yeah, so it's getting cold. Well, I found a tape. That wasn't exactly what I came down here for, but I'll take it. Could have sworn that the, oh, what was it? I don't know what it was. It was something I wanted. The key card. Could have sworn the key card was down here. But I may have been mistaken. I mean, I got something, but that something wasn't what I wanted. I guess let's drink my last crush nut and get out of here. That's okay. I got what I had mainly came in here for. Ah, look who I found. The one thing I didn't want to find. And I can't shoot it from up here. And from here, though. I hit you. You're a gray arm piece too. The one thing I don't like you very much. I want you to know that. Just die. God, took you long enough. A bunch of babies down here, I noticed. Ah, I found the video camera. I mean, that's useful, right? Yes, I hear all of you, but I don't know where all of you are. Right, I found the video camera. Don't need you. Could have sworn the key card was in here. Watch it be in here, but I'm just like really missing it. Okay. Well, we have the camera. That's a start. Second start, getting me the hell out of here. Got the crossbow, the camera, didn't get the key card like I wanted to. I'll probably look that up after, and if it is in that area, I'm not gonna bother recording me getting it because it was there and I'm just blind. But if it's not, I'll record a special video for it. Come on, I just want out. You're not out. I mean, you are another, anything cool, anything neat, anything at all worth me staying in here. Nope. Okay. Oh my god. I see daylight. You know what? I'm rather shocked. I have filled out this entire map almost. Except for up by the mountain. But that's okay. Is that the plane? Oh my god, it's the plane. Suzanne, I haven't seen you in forever, darling. Just gonna grab a bite to eat, grab some of the sodas with alcohol. Alrighty. Well, I think now all I really have left to do is I want the warm suit. So it's gonna keep killing these poor deer until I can get it. How much more mission do I even need? Need one more. I gotta kill one more deer. That's a lot of meat too. I don't need to eat. I don't need to cook. And I also don't see the reason of cooking it. So I don't need to eat anything. I'll just drop it in the water, I guess. Keep the cannibals decent way. I can't even drop it because it's not spoiled. Head to the cave. Get the chainsaw. We'll probably be set after that. I know there are going to be plenty of cannibals down here. I got the torch, thinking it would be good, but I still much prefer the lighter. Unless like it's on like a bow or something. Kinda when it becomes useful, when it's like on the bow or... Yeah, well, essentially when it's on the bow. When it becomes useful. Now I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna watch few of those tapes. I'm gonna be quiet while watching them. So, well, my best, because this will be my first time seeing the tapes. as I said before, I've had the game for a while, both on PS4 and, well, PC now. PS4 and PC. But as I said, when I started the game, I have played it before. I've never beaten it, nor have I ever gotten anything. I've spent most of my time building. Ended up actually screwing me. Did I make a wrong turn? Oh, I did. Okay. There we go. We are out of that. We have a beautiful chainsaw. We have one more deer. We have enough rabbit. We have the raccoon we need. We just need 5 more boar, and we'll be all set for that cold suit. What can we make with that? Oh, we can literally only make that. Wow. Oh, I didn't mean to make that. Fur boots is... I shot you right in your fucking ass. Going to build our own little church. 95 logs. I'm not even mad about that. I mean, now we have the chainsaw, so it should make it a little bit quicker. At least. And being at where I placed it, I should just be able to throw the logs off the cliff. You're rather loud. Jeez. Wait, what did I say I was gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna watch those videos. Alright, we'll add the first tree, and then we'll watch those videos. Because I had completely forgot I said I was gonna do that. Do this, and sit there and watch videos. Alright, so we want you and you. I should like zoom in. Is that Megan Cross? Ah. Huh. He looks so happy. So I'm guessing that's... I'm sorry, what the fuck was that? Is that the artifact? Is that what everyone goes... Is that the artifact? I'm guessing it's the artifact. Yeah, Megan arrives. Lunch with Megan. Opening the artifact. So, where can I go see the said artifact? I honestly might cut this part, me farming out. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Just in case. You know what? I'm not gonna pussy it. I have a crossbow. I'll get his attention with the bow and arrow. Hey, did I actually hit him? Oh yeah, that hit him. Yeah, that hit him. Only take a few of these to put them out. Fine. One more should do it. Got him. Haha. Suck it. Get more creepy armor for me. All we need, we can go to the park after dark. Oh, great. Hi, how you doing? Why are you being so aggressive all of a sudden? What, did I kill your boyfriend? Oh, put your vagina away. And now you're crawling? Make up your mind, girl. Oh, you can jump too? So can't I. I've never had a Virginian, like, run at me like that. Just at a random. Wasn't, like, instigated or nothing. Why are they becoming so aggressive? And speak of the devil, hey, how you doing, buddy? Didn't I say I didn't want to see your face? Oh my god. Okay, y'all in a minute. Deal with your frickin' friend here. Go away. Shit. Wait, what? Oh shit, I'm out of arrows. Give me that back. That's not for you. Couple more should do it. Yes, he's dead. I've had enough of you. I called it too. I said as soon as I started chopping down the damn trees, he'd show up. Why are there babies? Oh my god. Hi. Lead with the same amount of logs I freaking started the episode with. And here we go. It's done. Don't think I'll ever understand this purpose of this. I guess you can just put stuff in here, I guess. Another marker for home. I'm gonna go inside, save, and guess that'll be it from here, guys. Do hope y'all did enjoy the video.